Court does call the case of the people versus Mary Collins.
Mr. Riddell's case. Yeah.
A lawyer?
Are you, well, don't you leave.
Howard, on behalf of Mary Collins, is approaching the podium and will be standing to my right. Ms. Collins, please state your name for the record.
My name's Mary Collins.
All right.
Thank you, Judge. Today is a date and time set for probable cause conference. I did speak to the people this morning, and they have extended an offer which we intend to take. For the record, that offer is to dismiss count 1 and to plead guilty to an added count 2 and 3 of attempted resisting obstructing.
That's what the plea form indicates, that she'll be pleading guilty to 2 charges of attempted resisting and obstructing the 1-year offenses. Upon her successful plea to those charges, count 1 would be dismissed. May I have her sworn?
Right. You solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
State your name.
Mary Collins.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to 2 charges of attempted resisting and obstructing.
That's what I understand.
Okay, those are misdemeanors, punishable by up to 1 year incarceration or $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes. That's gotta be yes.
You do understand that, ma'am?
Can you say it?
So is a hearing problem?
Are you having problems hearing?
I can't hear very well.
Okay, it's okay. We have some equipment that will, that will probably help you. Okay?
Okay. Something about 1 year, but I couldn't hear the rest.
You know, that's fine. Yeah, we'll get you the hearing. We'll get you some mics and we'll get you mic'd up. Okay. Should be good.
Okay, Ms. Collins, is that better for you?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
It is.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. The court's understanding is that you're pleading guilty to 2 charges of attempted resisting and obstructing.
Yes.
That's your understanding? Okay. Those are misdemeanors punishable by up to 1 year incarceration or $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
All right. You also understand, ma'am, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge and you would be sentenced before Judge Perry in the 15th District Court.
Yes, I understand that.
All right. So understanding all of that, you still wish to plead guilty
Yes.
to the charge of attempted resisting and obstructing as contained in count 2. How do you plead?
How do you plead to the resisting obstructing? Attempted.
Attempted. Yes, I plead guilty.
All right. To that same charge as contained in count 3, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any questions regarding any of those rights?
No.
All right. I need you to look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights that are contained on that form.
These things were in there.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
and of your own free will,
Yes.
and because you believe that you're guilty of these offenses?
Yes.
On the date of June 17th, 2023, at the location of North Maple and Miller Road in the city of Ann Arbor, Washtenaw County, state of Michigan, did you come into contact with 2 officers from the Ann Arbor Police Department?
Yes.
Okay, what happened?
I was trying to get out of Ann Arbor. I didn't realize that they were following me until I got onto 23. when I got on 23, I looked in the mirror and there were 4 officers' cars chasing me down 23. So I pulled off the first exit.
So if I may, Judge,
Please.
so did you have opportunities to pull over before you did? Did you drive on longer than you needed to?
I drove as far as to the exit on Territorial Road.
Okay. Could you have pulled over earlier?
Could I have pulled over on the side of the
Yes.
highway? I probably could have.
Between Miller Road and North Territorial?
After Miller Road, I got onto 14 and then 23. And then I got up when I saw they were chasing me. I pulled off on Territorial Road exit.
That's a ways, but okay.
Yeah, it's a ways.
And you could have pulled over. Okay.
I
Did
could-
you know they were trying to pull you over?
Once I saw 4 police cars side by side on 23, yeah. I realized they wanted me to pull over.
So at what point did you notice that there were 4 police cars behind you?
I was onto 23 North. You understand?
Yeah.
Your defense counsel and court commission, may I board here?
No objection.
Go for it.
Thank you, counsel.
Ms. Collins,
Yes,
on that date, didn't your vehicle come to a stop at the intersection of Miller and Maple?
you did.
And wasn't there an officer at your window telling you to roll down your window?
There was an officer by my window and there was one in front of the car.
And then you drove away
Yes,
and then drove onto 23?
yes,
And eventually they had to use stop sticks to stop your car?
yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, so,
Thank you, counsel.
I mean, yes,
so ma'am, at Maple and Miller, you drove around a police officer that was in front of your vehicle?
yeah, I told the guy at my window to have the officer get out from in front of my car because I didn't want to hurt anybody. And then I drove on.
At the time, you knew that they wanted you then to stop because they had some business with you.
Yes, I knew they wanted me to stop for some reason.
Okay.
Defense is satisfied at this point, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am, I do have to advise you that if you do commit misconduct between the time that I accept your plea and the time of your sentencing, you would not be entitled to, the court would no longer be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation regarding your sentence. You understand that?
Yes,
And the other thing is that you would not be permitted to withdraw your plea. You understand that?
yes,
Is counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Have I complied with the court ruling? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's pleas?
People are satisfied.
You have and it would.
Okay. Court will accept the defendant's pleas of guilty to counts 2 and 3. Count 1 is dismissed. The pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing in this matter will be
September 22nd at 8:30.
September 22nd, 2025, 8:30 before Judge Perry.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Bond will continue. Thank you, ma'am.
thank you, Your Honor.
We'll talk out loud. And I have some equipment for you, Alan.
You want these back? Thank you very much.
All right, we'll go talk about waiver.
Wow. You're welcome.